Bro, no way! You found my channel. Most people just scroll past, but not you. And if you could like and subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Bro, no way!
By now, I still get lost, I still zone out. They talking plans and straight routines, but I still chase that finished dreams. Hey, I sit alone and hum a line, ignore the tick and blur the time. I know I'm not the perfect one, but I'm not done. I've just begun.